Did you know that burying just 3 red chilies along with 1 spoon of this natural powder in your garden soil can transform the way your plants grow? Gardeners have trusted this age-old method for its powerful results. And today I'll show you exactly how it works. Start by taking 3 red chilies. Dig a small hole close to the base of your plant and gently bury the chilies in the soil. As they break down, they release natural compounds that protect the plant from soil-dwelling pests and provide a mild boost of organic matter to the roots. This helps create a healthier environment for stronger growth. But here's where the trick becomes even more powerful. After covering the chilies with soil, take 1 spoon of cinnamon powder and sprinkle it over the same spot. Cinnamon is a natural antifungal and antibacterial agent. It helps prevent harmful fungi from attacking tender roots and also keeps away small insects that disturb plant growth. Together, chilies and cinnamon form a natural shield, while enriching the soil at the same time. This simple 2-step process, burying chilies and adding cinnamon, gives your plants protection and strength without any chemicals. Try this today and watch how your plants respond. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to like the video and share it with fellow gardeners for more natural secrets.